Today we're going to walk through how to add reCaptcha to your forms. Adding reCaptcha to your forms is going to allow you to prevent automated bots from filling out your forms, so making sure that you get better quality submissions in your forms, and also keeping your submission count lower because a lot of our plans are actually restricted in the amount of form submissions you can receive, so you want to make sure that each and every one of those is a quality submission. So from our form dashboard here, we can go to Manage Forms and see our existing forms, and I can show you how to add this to your existing forms. And we'll also walk through how to add it to a new form. So for an existing form, let's just go to this simple contact form. You'll see that we have the option here by default to include reCaptcha. So here what you're going to want to do is, if you want to remove it, click remove or click delete and confirm that you want to remove that from your form. Now if you want to add that back in, you'll go to your form settings, the little gear icon, and you're going to say, I do want to include spam protection. Yes. And this is in the form security section of your form settings. Hit save when you turn that toggle on. And then you're going to see that the reCaptcha is back. So that is how you can add the reCaptcha to your form. If you want to only include reCaptcha on one of your form designs, since we do allow multiple designs of a single form, go to the Advanced Designer and you can create a custom design or go to an existing custom design. So I'll go and edit this one. And in the Advanced Designer, you'll also have the same options in Settings. So if you go to the Settings for the Advanced Designer, down below here, you see the Include Spam Protection toggle. Hit Yes. So that was turned off. That's why we didn't see that in this custom design. And we can hit Save Changes now. Now if we close our settings and return back to the designer, you'll see that since we chose to include spam protection, it is now there. We can preview this and we'll see now that we have the reCaptcha. So just so if you didn't know, that's the interaction that's going to be added into your form. The end user is just going to have to click that simple checkbox, and then that's going to allow them to submit the form. Now to go back to the system, if I just go to the dashboard again, just to show you if you're creating a brand new form, we can hit Create New Form here. And you're going to see by default, like I was saying, we include reCaptcha. This is because we definitely promote usage of this to make sure that your leads and all submissions coming through your form are of the highest quality possible. But again, if this is just an internal thing and all your employees are going to be filling this out and you know that it's not public, then you can remove it. So I hope that was a good summary of how to add reCaptcha to your forms and to make sure that you prevent spam submissions and get the highest quality submissions possible for your custom form. Thanks for using Indition Forms. Have a great day.